Today, we're diving into Typeless, an AI productivity tool that's been getting some buzz lately. But does it really deliver on its promises, or is it just another app trying to ride the AI wave? Let's find out. Typeless positions itself as a productivity enhancer, using AI to help users manage their tasks more efficiently. At its core, it integrates a variety of organizational tools, allowing users to create tasks, set reminders, and even automate some workflows. The interface is designed to be straightforward, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned productivity aficionados. One immediate standout is its ability to integrate with existing tools, which can save a lot of time for users already entrenched in other platforms. However, while the setup is generally smooth, I did notice some areas where clarity is lacking, like the specifics on how certain AI features work. For instance, how exactly does it learn from your habits? That wasn't entirely clear from the information available. It seems aimed at individuals and small teams, but larger organizations might find it lacking in advanced features. Overall, the user experience feels polished, but there are still questions about its depth and capabilities. Let's break down some pros and cons of Typeless. On the positive side, it's user-friendly, and the integration with other apps is a significant plus for those looking to streamline their workflow. The AI features can be incredibly helpful for managing tasks and reminders, potentially saving users a lot of time. However, there are some drawbacks. The lack of detailed information on how the AI learns and adapts is concerning, especially for those who value transparency in tech. Additionally, some users might find the feature set a bit too basic, especially if they're used to more robust productivity tools. Pricing can also be a sticking point, as it may not offer enough value for those only needing basic task management. In short, while Typeless has its strengths, it might not suit everyone's needs, particularly those looking for a comprehensive solution. So, who should consider Typeless? If you're an individual or part of a small team looking for a straightforward productivity tool, it might be worth trying. However, if you need advanced features or more transparency about AI capabilities, you may want to explore alternatives. Overall, it feels promising, but some aspects leave room for improvement.